Tired of searching for a missing email page button in OneNote for Windows 10? Here are 3 proven ways to email any page right now. We are going to cover the universal PDF method, the direct email feature for desktop users, and the quick link share. Let us start with the most reliable option. All right, open the OneNote page you want to email. This is the one that has all the notes you need to send. Start there. Now look up in the top left corner of the OneNote window. You will see File. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. From the menu that pops up, choose Print. This opens the standard Windows print window. Under the printer dropdown, do not pick your actual printer. Instead, select Microsoft Print to PDF. Think of this as a virtual printer that creates a file instead of a physical piece of paper. Go ahead and click the Print button. A save window will pop up. Choose a spot on your computer where you can easily find it later, like your desktop. Give it a name if you want, then click Save. It might take a split second to process. Now just compose a new email in whatever service you use, like Gmail or Yahoo or Outlook. Attach that PDF you just saved to the message, and you are done. That is method 1. Now, that is method 1. It works for everyone. But if you have the classic OneNote desktop version installed alongside Microsoft Outlook, there is an even faster way. This is a feature I have seen referenced in official Microsoft support documentation, so it is a proven method if you have the right setup. Open the page you want to send. Just navigate there like normal. Now look at the top ribbon and find the Home tab. Click on that Home tab. In the ribbon area, you should see a button labeled Email Page. It is usually in the Share section. Go ahead and click that button. Instantly, an Outlook Compose window will appear. It already has the text and content of your OneNote page loaded into the body of the email. It is pretty slick. All you have to do is type in the recipient email address, add a subject line if you want, and click Send. That is method 2. And here is method 3, the last one. If you do not want to attach a file at all, you can just share a link to the page. Over in the right-hand panel of OneNote, find the tab for the specific page you want to share. Right-click on that Page tab. From the menu that pops up, select Copy Link to Page. It copies a direct link to your clipboard. Now go to your email, compose a new message, and press Ctrl+V to paste that link. Your recipient clicks it and goes straight to the page. Easy. So to wrap it all up, you have 3 solid options. The PDF method works for absolutely everyone on any version of OneNote. The email page button is your best bet if you are on the classic desktop version with Outlook. And the link method is perfect when you want to share without any file attachments at all. Pick the one that fits your setup, and you will never be stuck wondering how to email a OneNote page again.